Now, although the Pinterest marketing tools are limited by the data it collects and provides so far, it doesn't mean that keyword research and SEO are useless on the platform. Keep in mind that even the Google research tool, which is much more advanced, cannot guarantee you a precise result. The keyword search volume, for example, on the Google keyword research tool is always an approximation, just to give you an idea whether a specific keyword is worth your time and effort or not. Now, having said that, how do you go about finding the most searched keywords on Pinterest? Just like any search engine, people usually type in what they are looking for on the search bar. Now on Pinterest, they decided to add a twist to their search. Just below the search bar here, you will see other related words that you might not have thought of when making your initial search. Now when you click on any of these related words, it gets added to the initial search term or phrase that you typed in the search bar. That's how people search on Pinterest. Now with the mindset of an affiliate marketer, you can follow the same steps to generate long tail keywords that you can use to create your pins. I've come across some Pinterest tutorials that suggest that the related words on the left side here are the most searched keywords. That might well be the case because when I click on the search bar, Pinterest also suggests a couple of long tail key phrases which match the same related words here. Whatever the case, there is still a major problem using this strategy to search for your keywords. The problem here is there is nothing that actually tells you how many people are actually targeting a specific keyword or phrase. Using just the search bar on Pinterest to do your keyword research is similar to a hunter targeting an animal in the dark. A hunter will certainly miss the target because he cannot see it. So you need to know an estimate of the number of people searching for a specific keyword before you go on creating content for that keyword or key phrase. That's where the Pinterest Ads keyword tool comes into play. First, here is how to easily get to the tool. Click on the Add button and then on Create Ad. You don't actually have to create an ad, you just want to get to the keyword tool. Now you need to have a Pinterest business account before you can use this tool. You can check out the video that pops up on the top right on how to create a business account on Pinterest. Now next is just to click on the Continue button here below. Scroll down to the keyword section here. Here is a simple but powerful keyword tool that will give you a sense of the search volume of whatever keyword you're targeting on Pinterest. Now simply type in your targeted keyword and you'll see other suggested related keywords with an estimated search volume for the keywords. Now here is what I usually do on my affiliate Pinterest niche accounts. I usually just choose a couple of these suggested key phrases from this tool to create my Pinterest boards and then use them again to search for even longer phrases using the search bar method I showed you in the beginning of this video. But that's just what is working for me. For you, you need to get into Pinterest and try out this tool. You might come out with something that works best for you. And with that, I'll call this a wrap. I hope this was another helpful video. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solopreneur Warrior Club.
Yeah.